Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Vishaka from Fortune Series. We are one of the most trusted channel partner of Navi Mumbai. We guarantee lowest price at no compromise. Welcome to Godrej City Panvel, where many worlds come together. Godrej City is an integrated township which is spread across 145 acres. Yes, this is an 145 acres land parcel where you get right from the residential areas, the residential flats, to the commercial, to the retail services as well. So Godrej City have already delivered two of the residential phases, which is phase 1 and phase 2. Right now we are launching phase 3, which is named as Green Terraces, which is spread across 7.17 acres. This is a 7.17 acres land parcel where you will be getting 5 towers. So this is the phase 3, which is spread across 7.17 acres. This is the towers which we have delivered right now. Tower number 2 and tower number 3. This is the model of the project, and this is the golf course which is right adjacent to the phase 3. So this is our phase 3 where we will be getting 5 towers, and this towers will be right adjacent to our 30 acres of our golf course where we will be getting 9-hole golf course. So this is your tower number 3 and tower number 2. Right now they are delivering tower number 2 and 3. And in tower number 2 you are getting configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. In tower number 3 you are getting configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Phase 3 is situated right in the heart of Godrej City, as you can see that, which makes it a premium land parcel. This land parcel is situated next to the school. Talking about the podium level is spread into 2.12 acres, where you are getting also a beautiful clubhouse which is spread into 18,000 square feet, and you will be enjoying 35 plus luxurious amenities over here. The main attraction of Godrej City is you can enjoy amenities in your own phase. Each and every phase has their own amenities park. This project is located on NH48, which is Old Mumbai-Pune Highway. Also, we get a seamless connectivity with Mumbai-Pune Expressway, and Atal Setu is just 20 minutes away, which will connect you to the South Bombay in just minutes time. Secondly, upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport is just 20-25 minutes away from here. Then this project is located on Panvel, so there are very upcoming corridors which will connect you to all over, such as Virar Alibag, then Nhava Shiva to Sivri Road. So this is their sample flat of 2 BHK, where the sample flat area, carpet area, they gave in configuration of 1, 2 and 3 BHK in 2 towers. So this is in 2 BHK ka sample flat, where the carpet area starts onwards 657 and goes up to 753. So this is in 753 carpet area. Let's hop in. So this is their beautiful flat. Once you enter, on the right hand side you get your kitchen. This is a beautifully designed kitchen, and आप लोग ऐसे बोलेंगे कि ये कैसा किचन है जो कि एंटर करते ही राइट साइड में आ गया. सो द थिंग हियर इज, आपको यहाँ पर इजी एक्सेस मिलता है. योर whoever your delivery guys or whoever your helpers come, they get an easy access to your kitchen. So hence this is designed like this. This is a beautiful design. This is a two-sided platform kitchen, parallel side platform kitchen. You will be getting this marble over here, the same granite marble over here, same marbles you'll be getting over here, same fittings will be there, and this is the sink area. So this is your kitchen, where the area of kitchen is, the dimension of kitchen is 10 by 7, and you also get a dry balcony. This is your utility area. So this is your dry balcony where you get a fitting of tap. Here you can keep your washing machine or dishwasher. You get a nice utility area over here. The dimension of the kitchen is 10 by 7, and when we come out of the kitchen, on the right hand side you get your living room. This is your living room. This is a beautiful massive living room. As you can see here, you get your dining area. This is your beautiful dining area, and this is your sitting area, where nice 5 to 6 people can chill and watch Netflix over here. This is your TV area. So this is your beautiful living room, where the dimension of living room is 10.6 by 18.6, and you are getting a massive balcony also. So this is your balcony. These glasses are very premium. They are very strong. the balcony glasses you get over here, and this is your balcony. The height will be same, and this is your beautiful balcony where you can sit and chill, you can watch Netflix, you can witness the beautiful sunrise or sunset over here. So this is your living balcony, where the living balcony area is 9.4 by 4. So this was your balcony, where the area of balcony is 9.4 by 4. And once we enter here, we get our common washroom. This is your common washroom. सारी फिटिंग्स यही प्रीमियम रहेंगी, सेरा या फिर जैगवार की फिटिंग्स रहेंगी, आपकी सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स जो भी है सारी सेम रहेंगी. बाथरूम का जो लेआउट है वो होगा 7.6 बाय 4.6. दिस इज योर ब्यूटीफुली डिजाइंड वॉशरूम. सारे फिटिंग्स सारे सेम रहेंगे, जैगवार या सेरा के आपके फिटिंग्स आएंगे. राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट यू गेट योर कॉमन बेडरूम. This is your beautifully designed common bedroom, where the layout of common bedroom is 10 by 12. As you can see, you get a good size to keep your side tables. You are getting your queen size bed, and on the both the sides you are getting a beautiful size to keep your side tables. Here you can put your TV unit. This can be your TV unit, and you get a closet place over here. This is your dressing table over here. So this is your common bedroom's window. This is a beautifully designed window. As you can see, nobody provides full length window. आपको 2 windows मिलती है, and also ये जो window है ये आपकी open हो सकती है, वो भी fully. This is spread into 3 parts, and this can be fully opened. See, this is a beautiful window. This gives you an ventilation. This gives you a balcony effect. So this is a very beautiful concept which Godrej have come with. So this was your common bedroom. As I showed you, that was the highlighting point, which is a full length window, which will be movable window. You can open the full window for the good ventilation and for balcony effect. Then here, after the passage, you get your master bedroom. As I mentioned that this is a 2 BHK flat. So this is your master bedroom. This is a beautiful design of master bedroom, where the carpet area, where the layout of this master bedroom is 10.6 by 13. So this is the master bedroom. You get a same concept of windows over here, same concept of the windows you are getting over here, full length windows which will be fully open. This is your TV unit. This can be your study table. This is your beautiful king size bed, and you are getting a side table space as well, and that would be your wardrobe space. So this is a massive size of wardrobe, of massive size of your bedroom as well, and this is where your master bedroom's master washroom is. So this is your master bedroom's master washroom. This was the tour of your 2 BHK. This is the common washroom. This is the common bedroom. This is your living area. But before concluding, let me tell you guys one thing. There is one more attraction point over here which is Godrej is providing. You are getting a window in your living room where you can enjoy all the cross ventilation, because this is for the cross ventilation. Here you get a window and there will be your balcony. So hence you get a nice cross ventilation over here. बहुत ही अच्छा windy nature में आपका घर बसा रहेगा. So this was the beautiful tour of your beautiful 2 BHK house, where the carpet area is 753. As I mentioned that you are getting a configuration of 1, 2 and 3 BHK. I'll be mentioning the carpet areas in the description. Secondly, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys have liked the video. Let me know how you liked the video in the comment section, and also do not forget to subscribe us. There's a WhatsApp link mentioned in the description where you can click and directly reach to our WhatsApp, where you can get all the details, where you can get all further details about this project. Thank you so much.